Hello guys, it's Owen, welcome back to another video, and today we've got a change of what I would normally put on this channel, and that's because today we're going to be going over my file server plans. So I was mostly inspired by It's My Natural Colours' recent video where he showed his new NAS setup, and also of the fact that I've had some data loss recently, as has he, although I lost quite a lot more than just music and films and that, which is a shame, like family stuff, which, I mean, luckily did have a backup, some of it at least. I think some of my old YouTube files are gone now, like forever, because I didn't have a backup of those. Which is why I've been inspired to do this, because currently, this is the setup I'm running. Literally a hard drive on a USB 2 dock connected to my laptop, and that's it. So I really need an upgrade. So today we're going to be going over the hard drives I'm going to plan to use and everything that's going to be configured inside this. So first of all, as you can see, I've taken out the... Oh, actually, I'll go over the specs first. This is a HP, what was it, Pro 4300 SFF PC. It's got a Pentium G2020, not the low power version, it's just the G2020, not the T. 8GB of DDR3 in dual channel. It's currently got a 500GB hard drive, which will be swapped in the future when I'll go over the plans for that in a bit. So yeah, first of all, this CD drive slot is empty because I plan to put in a hot swap bay, although I'm not going to be really using it for hot swap, but I'm going to have a hard drive bay in there, so I'm going to have at least 2 hard drives in here. And as you can see, it's got 3.5 inch drive thing down here for floppies and stuff, which I'm going to put a SSD of some sort in there. I'm not sure whether I'll put my current Crucial M4 SSD that I have in there or buy a new one, but yeah. So yeah, I've been really saving my money recently, not spending as much, because I've been buying a lot of cheap crap, which I don't really end up using. So this is why I've decided to just go out and buy all this. So yeah, the plan is to have obviously that hot swap bay, and then the hard drives I'm going to be using is 2 2TB WD Reds. That's the plan, at least. I'm still not sure. It depends on my financial situation, as I'm still waiting on someone to buy a computer that they bought off me, or are buying off me. They still haven't paid for it. So as soon as they pay for it, I'll probably buy the drives, and that'll get us going. But for now, until I get that, I'm going to be running the 2 500GB drives, so the one that's in here and the one I'm currently using for all my YouTube data, and run it in RAID 1. I think that's where it does a backup of the data onto 2 drives. I think that's it, at least. Just so until I get new drives, I can be certain I'm not going to lose any more data. I would run it in RAID 1, but this is an old hard drive in here. Well, they're both old. They're both used, so I really don't trust them that much. But yeah, and we're also going to have either a RAID card or just a basic SATA card, because this has 3 SATA powers, but 2 SATA data ports, so I'm going to need a card for that. But yeah, that's the basic plan for this. And yeah, so I hope you guys will enjoy this series I'm going to hopefully produce. Obviously, if there's a change of plans, then this will be the only episode that stays up. But yeah, hopefully this does go to plan, and I will be all good. I've still got a 640GB hard drive with a load of my data on it too, which as soon as I get all this set up, then I'm going to have to copy that over. And yeah, I don't know whether there's software for Windows which you can copy other machines' hard drives like overnight or something, because I really want to keep a update of or backup of my laptop as well. So I don't know whether that's possible, but if it is, then I'll do that. The OS I'm going to be running is just Windows 10 or whatever, just because I obviously can't afford Windows Server. I don't really like or use Linux that much, so I don't know the ins and outs of it. And FreeNAS, we've tried to set it up with my family in the past, and it just didn't go to plan, and we didn't know what we were doing. So, yeah, that's why I'm sticking with Windows for this. And yeah, hopefully this will be a fun series for you guys, and I hope you will enjoy it. So that's the plans for this, and yeah, I will see you in the next episode, hopefully, or the next video, or whatever I'm going to produce next. So yeah, thanks for watching, goodbye.